Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use auto correction to help you entering the repeated type of data. Okay, so how to ease your data entry using auto correction. Okay, so you go to my Excel sheet. Okay, you can see here the customer 1, customer 2, a set of customers, and I am logging type of remarks here. So these remarks are mostly is repeated because after a certain period we know that what kind of remarks we get it from the user, and these remarks are more or less it's repetitive remarks. So if I want to enter the data here, okay, how can I just enter repeated remarks? Okay, one way is people will do that when I come here, if I want to do called customer or whatever, you could see it will also give you the previously added remarks to autocomplete. But the thing is here, if you have same until it comes for a unique, it will wait for the customer's input, so that it will give the suggestion. If two remarks are similar, then again you need to type the remarks until it becomes unique. Okay, so but in auto correction what I'm showing is easier way to just write remarks or anything else which is already repeated in your set of data. Okay, how to use auto correction and ease your process of data entry. Okay, go to file, and for example, before that I have a few sets of remarks here. Customer is not satisfied with the service given, service ticket was raised and waiting for resolution. Okay, so customer is not satisfied with the service given. Okay, how to go here? You have options. In the options you can find proofing. In the proofing you can have change how Excel corrects and formats text as you type. When you type something, you want to you keep on doing some mistake, let the Excel to correct automatically for the spelling mistakes and other things. But in this case we use this utility to twist and help you to ease your typing. Okay, so just to autocorrect options, you go here, replace with what. Okay, I type customer is this is my control V. Okay, it is not accepting the just hold on. Customer is not copy. Okay, go options, proofing and autocorrect. What I want to give is customer is not satisfied with the service given. For that I just put some simple abbreviation, not satisfied, right? So I just put in as okay, add. Okay, then again okay, I will put another one. You can straight away type it there. I just for showing you, I just go there one by one. Okay, you can straight away type it there if you know the list. Just the list, you just type it there, auto correction. Okay, okay, this is service ticket AST. Okay, and finally customer is called customer. Okay, so CC, just I put called customer, called customer, called customer. So whatever the list you have, you just put a small abbreviation and type it here and go there. Okay, so when you come here, customer is not satisfied, you need to type. We already given the abbreviation in the autocorrect. If I type NT, you need to, okay, what is given? Oh, NS. Type NS, automatically it corrects to customer is not satisfied with the service given. Similarly for ST, service ticket was not raised. Okay, next for called customer CC. You see, when you just type the abbreviation small, and Excel thinks that, oh, it needs to autocorrect because we already added the auto correction function there. For CC I need to autocorrect and put a called customer. So these CC ST all should not be in a Word when you have it in the typing. Okay, so you put which is those combinations which will not come as a word, otherwise that will be replaced when you type in. You have a ST and you have something called ST itself is a word in your product or something, it will also correct that ST to service ticket was not raised, something like that. Okay, you make sure the abbreviation which you give which is not in your usual typing. Okay, so not only that, you can also add combine two things. You already have some set of words you typed again, and in the middle also you put SC. You see, you can see here called customer, it added called customer, you see. Or in the beginning you put SC space given called customer, then service ticket was raised, you see. So you can write your own remarks also. In the middle you want to insert the repeated action remarks, you just put that abbreviation. Okay, so this way you can use auto correction to help you to ease your repeated data typing. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and I will see you on next videos. You leave your comments and remarks, and also give suggestions to improve my videos, and God bless you.